Good morning, vlog world, YouTube. Everybody will watch this. Which one I watch it from? UK, US, Canada, Egypt, everywhere. Pick up on yourself if I keep tuning into the vlog. Alright, now, I just wake up. Today's going to be a long day. I watch the mess, but yeah, today's going to be a very long day. Laptop right there, so I watch record more tonight here, so. Just there I go and get ready for left out for the day. So follow me and let's see how this day goes. Z. Breakfast done. Finish editing and the flyer done. Book them there, look through window, I laugh off of people. I'm not gonna hear the story while going.
Reason there, reason.
Supreme boss there, so him bridging there. Scene of the crime just a cut. Yeah, people, I hear things going on last night, you see me, but I couldn't know later on. Book am the best man for tell you the story because I one jump. Yes, people. What you mean?
Imagine me out the door and lock the door fun. Brother, me say me a run, brother, me only for yo, brother, me no know for third now. Cause they no idea, them shot the way I was supposed to some key shot and a 9 buns. We are too long for you.
Yeah, man, sure nothing, people. Last night we there.
When I come in the house, people, when I come in the house, I be a dead man. You out the door about fail, pull the door. Every man pan them face in a print house, man. If a police in here sitting, me no know, but I see Indian there so stay so. I go Sam say dog. Go on in my company veranda and go Sam to him. Me no say no. You never saw me go so.
Me, you see, when you just you come so.
Me say,
Won't you know my sample man? I come so. Don't have to pay that man.
Man, we see 2 bird cross road go so. We see Indian go so fucking. He not prince here, me say youth here. When you come like him, the man that hesitate, the man that tell nobody say, oh, I know if I go in. The man stay so.
Yo, the man try to
Left every man.
Let's say black my door left for body.
Brother,
if you try to push
I
me,
mean, they out there now.
and it comes out, easy as
When
Supreme boss.
I see him gone, he out there for around 5 minutes. Go over with them and play domino next door, preach. I'm dead, I'm say, oh, everything good, man. Just stay in and play
Nah, they don't
domino.
worry. They do my belly
Friends, it's when we hear tam. Brother, some see domino table go whiz. And some see man stay, man chucking a man. You see man stuck in a sunny.
Last night we did land sit down.
Brother,
See Neil sit down and drink him jagan. And I smoke weed. Here. Bam bam!
brother, shot the wussy. Like a everywhere shot the wussy.
Brother.
It's so dirty.
Brother.
Coulda disappear.
Alano. Yo, Alano. You see, I'm going to link book. Hold on, push it again. I go support my link book here to do a man my talk and Casa go out that fool shit and I look and see the brother and me hand wheel over and then the next out the long ride fleet 9-1. So I say yo bookie, me I go in.
We coming back.
Man, I see what go on and
then me alone upon the street I say some people to calm down, man. Everything good, stay in.
Brother, look at discussion that would I have just a while ago. Yo, we don't know what really going on in the dog, but I be a shot fire in the scheme, you see me? Be people are run up and down. And my Joshua, I don't really know what's going on, but man, I'm deal with the place a way. But one day we must make it out of the ghetto and live better life. But until then, just have to make sure say you stay alive and do need for do. See me? So yeah, we're out now. I got half a tree, gonna meet up with Lando and team cover photo shoot for this. I think it's a hair store or clothes store. One of them. But yeah, that's the pre right now. So I'm on my way to half the tree. I take the long way today. I feel like for walk. Start eating, do more walking and less taking the shortcut by taking one bus to tree, man. Next one go half a tree. All the way over doing the part now, you see me people. So just follow the journey.
Cut a little piece and say you save the day now, though.
Yep.
Watch it, you all want button too?
Yeah, what's putting in? I saw my Jesus is like, oh God.
Catch him tongue. Why him tongue? Dog, why you have been a bit? Come back on.
Heels, yes please.
They can be.
I mean, $1,000 done them. Sweet, I have all size. How much of them shots?
They're on sale for $2.
On sale.
The whole of them are going right now. Somebody want.
Oh, they're sold.
Sorry. Not all of them gone. Never hear about that yet, man. Oh, someone put up a small and say it's a small, and somebody else say it looks too small.
You have video me, I'm a biggest precious in life.
That the people know your store, or them can find you on Instagram and your store location.
So neither you give me my store then. I drama this.
Should have been stand up and keep my belly and do the nice.
Ready, it's on your face.
Fox's Boutique, 75 Westminster Road.
And how them can find you on social media? How them can find you on social media?
On Instagram it's Fox's Boutique _GE.
Hear that, people?
You hear that? But it's all for women. Only women. No man. Don't be like that boy over there. You know.
The pink purse in that box.
They are going to be still people. I'm going to enjoy the day. Hakeem Hunter do the shoot. Just they are going to be the shoes guy for the day. Landra there. Take up things from high places guy for the day. So that's how we try for the day.
Everything. Wipe it up.
Wipe up what?
See the cloth, the wipe up the orange juice so you make chocolate.
Take tell him, boy.
Woman, yeah. But what born me now, my dad episode right after him get locked up.
Oh, after
He met knock out the nigga and...
Oh, that means my girl that get pushed out then yet?
Yeah, she get pushed out.
She just get pushed out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You see me? But when me eat dog is when it reach one exciting part. Cause when they lock him up, the part the acting.
Yeah.
And then for the rest of the entire episode, you know see about the man.
Today is Sunday, you know, which probably reach, you know, Portland, Frenchman Co. Bring boss there, sir. Virgin over there, sir. So right now, Portland, man, go. Link up with Cash. Yeah, the first most I'm not gonna say Cash right now. We in Jamaica, know my personally, I already know him, but not see him in the idea. So just go and journey with me and see what I go. Alright, we're there now, my Frenchman Cove, so just there, take some pictures and video. I'm not touch the water still, you see me, you know me already. So, Portland with there. As I try to show you what earlier, say, yo, them people, them don't respect Jamaican. I get fight in our own country, you see me? They might try to fight against black people in our own country, but we not follow them, you see me? So just have to make the thing work and just do what we need for them. So we're there still. So just continue watch more clips from the whole day. You see me? We're still there. Oh, there again. Frenchman Cove in Portland, you see me? I am soaked, I am cold. Out there I will have vibes. The rain of our fall if I mean, so I could have vlogged properly, but there I will have vibes. This man there, so we're locked down. Yeah. Oh, go on. You might do it, son. People, I am named Cash. Remember when I tell them about him this morning? I am named, say, see me?
Yeah, it wants some Sam.
Yeah, not on the phone, right? There I go, all of vibes. I go as close as possible to the water and show them what I'm going. So, who has never been to Frenchman Cove, Portland? This is how it looks. Tune in, and you will see how it looks.
You know essence, the dancehall power forward. Mr. G, could ever feel like we win the lottery? Money enough cause island jams about me. I lemonade versus S a speed while my girl a sip and strawberry that great. And this must be the life of luxury. One me ends a laugh I go with be a fuckery. I mean I want nobody to judge me. And one life we get to live, so make we all a vibe.